Mm, Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Rini?
ma'am, could you postpone the test which are going to conduct on November 30, ma'am?
Why, ma?
Ma'am, because from November 30 to December 4, we are having our school exams, ma'am, for 80 marks. So there is no leave also, ma'am, in between. Continuous 5 days exams, ma'am.
Okay. Once talk to sir, then Raghavan sir.
Okay, ma'am. I will also tell to her.
Once
Tell to
talk to
him.
sir.
Okay,
Chitra
ma'am.
ma'am, you are there in the meeting? She left, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll inform them also. You people also inform accordingly. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, Niranjan,
Ma'am.
all your queries were answered?
Ma'am, for the 37th question, I wrote what is there in the book, ma'am, for the second, that about the
What?
desert plants.
Desert plants. Intermediate product. It's clear, not clear at the end.
Ma'am,
The
telling
first
about my
part is
handwriting, ma'am.
okay. First part is okay. Huh?
Ma'am, are you telling about the answer or my handwriting, ma'am?
No, that answer itself, last line.
One
You know,
minute, ma'am.
you wrote some energy, something. See, check.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm taking.
Energy, I remember energy, something you have written. Last, till intermediate, it was correct.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Hamsini.
Ma'am, I wrote desert plants take up carbon dioxide at night and prepare an intermediate which is acted upon by the energy absorbed by the chlorophyll during the day, ma'am.
Again,
That's
read the second line.
Ma'am, desert plants take up carbon dioxide at night and prepare an intermediate which is acted upon by the energy absorbed during the day by the chlorophyll.
Energy absorb, energy release or prepared, like that it should come.
Okay, ma'am.
And another thing, all of you forgot desert plants. Why they absorb? Because tomato will be open during the night only.
Yes, ma'am.
That many people did not wrote. Niranjan.
Yes, ma'am.
That also is
I
a
did
very
not write
important
that
point,
point.
Niranjan.
And I wrote
Okay,
that,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now I
Okay.
understood, ma'am.
Next, all of you, whoever are there, anybody are still joining? If they ask you uses or its functions or anything, as I gave as a subtopics in 3 marks answer, please don't write only one line. Okay. Don't write one line. You need to write at least 2 or 3 points. For heart, everybody wrote pumping of blood. That's all. Almost everybody wrote pumping of the blood only. So many functions are there. It will carries via its veins. It carries oxygenated blood to the heart from the lungs. All those 2-3 points you need to write. Alveoli, nobody mentioned about its useful for exchange of gases. That's all. It's thin layered. It's a balloon like, only 1 or 2 wrote that one. Balloon like structure, thin layered, and increases the surface area for exchange of gases between the blood capillaries and the lungs. Or you must write even another 1 point also. There are the places where you will be losing your mark. Half mark like that we will cut in those places. Okay. And another one, blood vessels. No, 1 or 2 persons only mentioned arteries and veins. Nobody mentioned arteries and veins. You should write arteries and veins, blood vessels. They are used to carry oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. What is going to carry oxygenated blood and what is not going to carry oxygenated blood? That we need to mention. No, those are the keywords. Although you all wrote oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, you did not wrote the keywords, that is arteries and veins. Only 1 or 2 persons wrote. And regarding that artificial kidney question also, most of you did not wrote properly. At least the passage is there on the top. That at least you must have seen and written something. That also you people, there also few marks were gone for many. So when they ask something, please write 2 to 3 points. Okay. For example, urethra is there. You need to write urethra are the tubes that are connecting between the kidneys and the urinary bladder. They carry the filtrate from the kidney, the filtrate which is filtered in the kidneys to the urinary bladder. So you got 3 points. Whatever you wrote only, I'm expanding it. You are able to understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Though that is the way you need to present. Okay. And Sandhya,
Yes, ma'am.
why are your MCQs so totally wrong? What happened? You wrote your answers very well, and why MCQs have gone?
Ma'am, I got confused in the MCQ part, ma'am.
Assertion and reasoning, all of you are getting confused.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't be confused. That is the way most of you got wrong in your bits. Please don't be confused with assertion and reasoning. Just check whether the both of them are correct. If they are correct, whether they are connected or not. Okay. And another thing where the other have gone wrong is I don't remember where. Okay. All of you saw your papers. Anywhere, any doubts you people have?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ma'am, in the 32nd question, you have only put 1 mark, ma'am. I don't know where I went wrong.
Photosynthesis. Am I
The
right?
equation, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, that equation and function of chlorophyll.
1 minute, I'm checking your paper.
Okay.
Hamsini,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the equation of photosynthesis?
I've written it wrong. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
And another thing, what are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
functions of chlorophyll? All of you tell me. What are the functions of chlorophyll?
Ma'am, it absorbs
It
sunlight. ma'am.
absorbs the sunlight.
First one, what is a chlorophyll?
It is a green
Green color
pigment.
Present in
pigment.
plants.
Green color pigment, where it is present?
Present in the green parts of the plants, ma'am.
More specific,
And leaves.
in the chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
Chlorophylls are the green present inside the chloroplast of the leaves. Anybody wrote this sentence?
Ma'am, I only mentioned leaves, ma'am. I didn't mention chloroplast.
Pigment, anybody mentioned?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I did, ma'am.
One mentioned. And what are its functions?
Trap sunlight, which is essential for photosynthesis process to take place.
It helps to photosynthesis. First of all, photosynthesis takes place inside the chlorophyll. It helps, grabs the sunlight and converts the sunlight into a chemical energy via photosynthetic reaction. 3-4 points we get. And
Okay,
helps
ma'am.
the plant in preparation of its food. One line, everybody one line. Grab the sunlight, grab the sunlight. You should write 3-4 points. Up only I asked reaction, and all of you have written the reaction. Who will write the, what are those components names? Carbon dioxide, water, glucose. Who will write those? You people should write all those things. That is where, see, when you get full marks, no, people will be seeing where to cut a mark. Okay, it's not max to give full marks. In science, you'll not most, it's very up, you should be up to mark so that they don't have anywhere to cut you a mark. So be careful when you're writing. Okay, any doubts still? Where is this Tilai? It's not even coming. Nirupama,
Yes, ma'am.
how much you got?
Ma'am, 51.5, ma'am, but now I'm more prepared.
Why you got so many less marks? Yeah. Nirupama, all your answers are incomplete, Nirupama.
Yes, ma'am, that's what, ma'am. Then after that, school teacher also told and she corrected all the incomplete parts. So now I'm more prepared.
Okay. Okay, shall we start with the next lesson? All of you open your textbooks.
Yes, ma'am.
So how do organisms reproduce? Can you open?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what is DNA?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
What does the DNA contains? It contains the information for inheritance of features from parents to the next generation. Where is DNA present?
Nucleus of the
Nucleus.
The
It's
chromosomes.
present in the chromosomes. It is present in the form of chromosome inside the nucleus. You are underlining these words?
Yes, ma'am.
Please underline.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
are all important. So what is the, how are proteins made inside the cell? If proteins are made, the DNA in the cell nucleus has the information source to make the proteins. Okay, this line. So with the help of this information, the proteins are made. So if there is any change in the information, definitely again different proteins will be produced. Thereby we have different body designs. Understood? Are you underlining?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, how is a new DNA synthesized in the offsprings? Or another question is, what is the most important event of the reproduction? Anything
DNA
is
copying.
DNA copying. And how the new DNA is synthesized, either you can write in your own words, or also you can write it from here to here. You can summarize this paragraph. So how it is synthesized is, each DNA, so the most reproductive event of the any reproduction is DNA copying. So so in every cell, one DNA gives rise to 2 copies of DNA. Okay, one DNA gives rise to 2 copies of DNA. So one copy will be in the original cell itself, that is in the parent cell, whereas the second copy will be given to the daughter cells. You can write over here. So this events 2 copies of DNA in a reproducing cells, and they will be needed to separate it from each other. However, keep one copy will be of DNA will be in the original cell, whereas the other will be going to the daughter cells. So because the copying, therefore, and this was all done based on the different cellular mechanisms. So this is required. Why this DNA copying is required? It is required to maintain the life process, and the DNA copying is always accompanied by a additional cellular apparatus that will be able to separate DNA copies can be separated, each with its own organelles. So this is the question answer, and how you need to write this one is, so in the most reproductive event in the DNA event in reproduction is DNA copying. So each parent DNA will be copied, 2 copies will be generated and will be separated from each other. One copy will be retained by the parents, whereas the other copy will be going on to the offsprings. Okay, so in that way, and why DNA copy is required? DNA copying is more required because it has the complete information about the proteins that needed to be synthesized. Okay, so it is very, very important. So each organism has its own copying methods, and in addition to this, they also require other cellular apparatus and everything to separate the DNA. So every cell gives rise to 2 cells. Each one will be having its own DNA. This is like an amoeba only. Every cell will be giving rise to 2 cells, and each, so in the same way, the parent DNA also is divided into 2. Is copied into 2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why 2 cells are not similar? Can anybody answer?
Ma'am, due to the error in DNA copying, there might be errors, ma'am.
Except twins, okay? Except twins, most of the DNA, most of them are not similar. Why? Because sometimes error, you should not tell like error. Okay, there will be some variations. Okay, you should use the word variations. Here it is. Okay, so how you need to write is, DNA copying is not accurate. Due to inaccuracy, always there will be variations in the new DNA which is formed. Due to that, there will be, due to that, there is a dissimilarity between 2 cells or 2 organisms, whatever it is. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Yes, ma'am.
underlining whatever I'm telling?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Because these are like a summary paragraphs you need to write from this. So what is the importance of variation? The most important 3 marks question. What is the importance of variation? Why variation is required? Okay, I gave in my presentation also, I think so. Why we require variation?
Maintenance of population.
No, wrong.
Some variation may lead to speciation and to survive in a particular niche and for the changing environment, there should be variations, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, that is correct only. Variations are due to inaccurate copying of the DNA. Some variations may be beneficial, some may not be of much use. Okay. Usually the variations lead to changes in the organisms and make them more adapt to their surrounding environment. Okay, and this may lead to formation of new species, or we call it as speciation. So variations are very, very important. For example, you can write this example. Example, bacteria living in temperate waters. Bacteria living in temperate waters. So if the temperate waters means mostly the temperature is around 25 to 30 degrees only. So if for example, if the bacteria is living in the temperate waters and suddenly if the water temperature was increased by global warming, most of the bacteria will be dying. But the few variants will be resistant to this heat change and able to survive and grow further. So to get this variation of resistant to heat, the variation to get this character, that is resistance to heat, the variation is required. You can give this example, very easy example. You can give this example also. One example is enough. Are you noting it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fast, I'll be asking you all. All these are mostly usually 3 marks and 1 mark answers. So fission example.
Amoeba.
Amoeba.
Ma'am,
Amoeba.
Multiple fission example.
Plasmodium.
In fission, another example.
Leishmania.
Leishmania. What is the disease it causes?
Kala-Azar.
Kala-Azar.
How is the fission taking place in Leishmania?
It takes place in a definite orientation, ma'am, in relation to its body designs.
It will take into a different means. It will be taking in a transverse section in this manner along its whip. Okay. Because it has a, why there is a difference is, what is the difference here is, amoeba does not have a definite shape. So it can divide in any plane, whereas Leishmania has a definite shape. So the fission will be taking place in a transverse, that is along its whip. That is the difference between Leishmania and amoeba. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiple fission example.
Plasmodium.
Plasmodium.
Whereas budding example.
Yeast and
Yeast.
Hydra.
Yeast or Hydra.
Yes, yeast or Hydra. Next one. Fragmentation example.
Spirogyra.
Gyra.
Pyrogyra.
Pyrogyra. Regeneration example.
Planaria.
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 Regeneration is carried by what?
Special regenerative cell.
Specials or specialized cells. Budding.
Budding Eastern
Easter
Hydra.
Hydra.
Yes. Next, coming to the vegetative propagation. I am not repeating because all these we have studied. You need all these are the any of them can come as a 3 marks of or answer, and also differentiations you will be getting, like differentiation between a binary fission and the multiple fission, or differentiation between fragmentation and regeneration. Okay, like that you will be getting even differentiations. Next one, coming to the vegetative propagation. So where does the vegetative propagation takes place?
It
Roots,
takes place in
root
the
stems
vegetative
and
parts of
leaves.
the
In plants of root, stem and leaves.
yes.
So what are the different methods of vegetative propagation?
Cutting, layering, and
Cutting,
grafting.
layering, grafting.
tissue
Can you
culture,
give me
ma'am.
cutting example?
I'm cutting rose, ma'am.
Yes, example rose. Another example anymore? You can write hibiscus. Layering or grafting example? Layering example?
Sugarcane,
Sugarcane.
grapes,
Grafting?
Mango. Pears.
mango.
Mango? Anymore?
Ma'am, even rose can also be done
Apples.
using it, ma'am.
Yeah, grafting. So in case of grafting, what is the technique?
Ma'am, the root part of one plant and shoot part of another plant of the same species are cut and they are tied together with the help of some tape, ma'am.
Upper part is known as
Stalk,
Stalk.
Stalk.
lower part.
Scion.
Scion.
yon,
Lower part is known as
Scion.
upper part.
Stalk.
Yes. So lower part is the
Root.
Part with the
no
root.
need to be a root. It will be a stem only, but
Okay.
the roots will be there for the of the original plant. And upper part will be the stem from the different plant. Okay. Any doubts still here?
No doubts,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Vegetative propagation via buds example.
Bryophyllum.
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 Any more?
potato, ma'am.
Potato also. Next, what is a tissue culture and why it's important? Can anybody tell me?
Using this method, we can get our desired variation in a short span of time, ma'am.
No. Tissue culture is one. It's one of the vegetative propagative technique which enables to grow, give number of plants in a very short duration. So how it is done?
And small pieces are cut from the plant, like the flower buds or stem tissues or leaves. Then it is transferred to the artificial nutrient.
It's placed on the artificial medium.
Then they divide rapidly to form the callus.
Yes, they divide rapidly to form the
Callus.
So what is a callus? Please write it down. Callus is an undifferentiated mass of cells. So callus is an undifferentiated mass of cells. Only on supplying the nutrients, plant nutrients, the callus will be differentiated into roots and shoots. Or plant growth hormones, we can write. Only on supplement of plant growth hormones, the callus will be differentiated into roots and shoots. And the most important function is, in addition to generate large amounts of plants in a shorter duration, we can also produce disease-resistant plants using tissue culture. Please remember, and this technique is most commonly used for ornamental plants. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next one, spore formation. Example.
Rhizopus.
Rhizopus.
What is this known as? This part of the is known as?
Sporangia.
Sporangia.
Only three are answering why. And this is known as?
Sporangiophore.
No.
Hypae, ma'am.
Hypaea.
Hype. Hypae. Hyphae.
Okay, ma'am.
Nirupama, next you should answer. What is the difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction?
Ma'am, asexual and sexual reproduction, ma'am. In sexual reproduction, there is formation of gametes and two parents are involved.
Yes.
Sexual reproduction, single parent, and it divides into two equal halves.
No gametes formation is there. So the variations question is also there in this part. You can write, this is more clear. You can write over here also, from here also. What leads to variations and why variations are very important. Understood? The
Yes, ma'am.
same
Yes,
thing was
ma'am.
repeated
Yes,
over
ma'am.
here.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you tell? What is formed during the sexual reproduction of the organism?
First zygote formation takes place, ma'am.
Formation.
How? You should start from first, Niranjan. Don't start in between.
Ma'am, the sex cell of female fuses with the sex cell of male, which results in the production
Sex cell
of new
don't
cell
write,
called.
not
Yes.
sex cell.
Okay, ma'am.
Gametes.
Okay, ma'am. The
Male
female
gametes.
gametes. Okay, ma'am.
Each
The male
parent gives
gametes.
rise to a gametes which are haploid. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Which are haploid. Only N. Okay? These haploid gametes, that is the male gamete and female gamete, fuse to form a diploid zygote. So the offsprings will be receiving one copy of DNA from parents, one copy from the mother, one copy from father, male gamete, one copy from the female gamete. Okay. So due to this, always there will be a variation between the parents and the offsprings. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the same thing what we discussed in first two paragraphs was also here. Please go through this paragraph also. For what are the questions you will be getting is, how does the sexual reproduction happens? What are the events happening in sexual reproduction? Why variations are very important? Why are more variations observed in sexual reproduction compared to asexual reproduction? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
All these questions are the same type only. Some keywords are different. That's all. Why sexual reproduction is have more variations compared to asexual reproduction means inaccuracy in DNA copy, and also the male and female gametes fuse, recombination takes place. So only there are more number of variations in sexual reproduction compared to the asexual reproduction. So these are the sentences and the words you need to use. Okay. So this is the most important diagram. I think so all of you know this diagram you should know this diagram by heart.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tilai. Tilai? Are you there? No, he's not answering. So who will be telling me the difference between unisexual and bisexual flowers with examples? Hamsini, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, bisexual flowers have both male and female reproductive organs in the same plant, and in unisexual flower.
Same flower.
Okay, ma'am. In unisexual flowers, it either have only male reproductive part or either female reproductive part in flower, ma'am. In for bisexual flowers, example, hibiscus rose, and for unisexual flowers, papaya.
Yeah.
Then watermelon.
Watermelon.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Sandhya. Difference between carpels and stamens.
Ma'am, a carpel is present in pistil, ma'am. Stamen are present. Stamen contain anther and filament, ma'am. And then filament is a long stalk bearing an anther at the top. And carpel has ovaries which have ovules and a long style and stigma on their top. The anther of the stamen contains pollen grains. The pistil receives the pollen grains and it supports fertilization.
You no need to tell that much. Anthers are bilobed. They release a yellow color Please mention yellowish powder or yellow color grains known as pollen grains, which carries the male gametes. Okay. What does the pollen grain do? The pollen grain gives rise to 2 male gametes. We have discussed that, no? So, which carries the male gametes. Okay. And this play an important role in the pollination. Next one. So, what is pollination? And what are the different types of pollination?
And the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of the stamen to the stigma of the flower is termed as pollination.
Yes.
The two different types of pollination are self-pollination and cross-pollination.
What is self-pollination?
And the transfer of pollen grains from the stigma of the same flower. Example, rice.
Yes.
Cross-pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the stigma of the different flower. Example, rose.
What are the different agents of pollination?
Wind, air,
water, animals.
animals and insects.
Insects, all these are the different agents of pollination. So I think so this is one of the important 5 marks essay question. How does the fertilization takes place in the inside a flowering plant? Or give us the transfer section of the ovary and explain in detail the process which takes place inside the ovary, or anything you need to write this process. So what you need to write, the pollens which are present on the anther will be by using different agents will be coming and falling on the stigma of the flower, a sticky part of the flower. And once the pollen grains falls on the stigma of the pollen tube develops, and the pollen grains passes the wire passing the pollen tube will be broken down to release 2 gametes. The 2 gametes now enters into the ovule or the ovary of the flowering plant. So one male gamete, I have already explained, that much is not required. For you, I have just explained to understand the process. So the fusion of the germ cells of fertilization will be taking place inside the ovary or in the ovule. Please remember, the fertilization in the flowering plants will be taking place inside the ovary. So these, once the pollen grains fuses with the male gamete which is present in the ovule, this will be resulting in the zygote. Okay. So after you please don't stop at here itself. You would also write the 4 post fertilization events also. Okay. So after the fertilization, the zygote divides several times to form embryo within the ovule, and this ovule will be develop a tough coat and forms a seed, whereas ovary forms into a fruit. Till here you need to write. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts? Next, what is a seed? Explain. This is the answer question. What you will write?
Ma'am, a seed is a structure which contains future plant or embryo which develops into a seedling under appropriate conditions, ma'am.
Structure? What structure, ma? Don't use word structure. The remaining part is correct. Okay. Any more? So I'll tell you, a seed is a thick-walled, released mostly by the many flowering plants, and it is developed from the ovule of the flowering plants. And remaining all you can write as the how the Niranjan has shown. Under the favorable, the seed contains all the nutrients required for the seedling. It is the storehouse of the nutrients. Under appropriate or favorable conditions, the seeds will be ruptured and gives rise to the root and the shoot. So the upper part of you need to write this. The upper part is known as the plumen and the lower part is known as the radicle. The plumen will be giving rise to the shoot, whereas radicle will be giving rise to the root. In addition to this, the seed has cotyledons. The cotyledons are nothing but the storehouse or where the food is stored. So usually there are 1 or 2 cotyledons. If the seed has 1 cotyledon, it is known as monocot plant. If the seed has 2 cotyledons, it is known as dicot plant. Just telling the additional information, what is the difference between a monocot and a dicot plant. Okay, monocot plant means 1 cotyledon, dicot means 2 cotyledons. Because they have given you the structure of the seed, they have given the radicle and plumen, you need to write it in the answer also. All of you are noting down the points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Tila, you are noting it down? Tilai? Any doubts still here?
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
So this is the most, these two are 1 5 marks answer. Ovary is another 5 marks answer. If they ask you TS of the ovary, this is the figure you need to draw, not the flowering plant. Don't be confused. If they ask you TS of the ovary, this is the one you need to draw.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is the TS of the ovary.
Okay, ma'am.
And if they ask you fertilization also, you need to draw this diagram. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, coming to the human reproduction. What are the secondary sexual characters which are developed in girls?
Breast size increases.
Start of menstrual.
Start of
Here, this is this is the point. For boys, here, what are the secondary sexual characters developed? This has been asked repeatedly many times as a 3 marks answers only. Okay. Next one, when another 1 mark bit, what is the adolescent age? I gave you all the ages in the presentation.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the adolescent age? From 12 to?
12 to 15.
12 to 16, 11 to 15.
Usually, what is the stage when the human beings hit puberty?
For girls, it's 11, ma'am.
11, ma'am.
For males?
13.
13 to 14 years. So you can see, here there's a definition of puberty. So what happens at puberty? The rate of general body growth begins to slow down and reproductive tissues begin to mature. This period, which happens in the adolescent stage, is known as the puberty. Coming to the male and reproductive system, usually they did not ask anywhere diagrams for these two. Only thing is sometimes they ask you to explain in detail all the parts of the male or female reproductive question in a 5 marks answers. But in case of 3 marks answers, I have given you last time like a write the functions, some subheadings. So in the same way, they have given subheadings and asked you all to write the function of each organ in the male and female reproductive system. So you need to know the functions of all these organs. So where does the first, let us start with the female. Where does the fertilization takes place? The one of the most important 1 mark question in human beings.
Fallopian tube.
Tube.
What, ma? Wrong, whatever you told. Where does the fertilization takes place in the females?
And fallopian tube.
Fallopian tube or oviduct. Please remember, the fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube or oviduct of the females. Okay. During the sexual, how does the fertilization takes place? During the sexual act, the male gametes, that is the sperms, enters into the female body and reaches the fallopian tube. Okay, once they reaches the fallopian tubes, the male gametes and the, that is the sperms, here you don't write male gametes and female gametes in case of human beings. Okay, the sperms will be fusing with the egg and leads to the formation of the zygote from in the fallopian tube. So once the zygote is formed, it is immediately implanted into the uterus of the females. Okay. So what are the organs which produce sperms in case of males?
Testis.
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 What is the function of the scrotum?
And it contains testis.
No.
Present outside the abdominal cavity and the formation of sperms takes place in scrotum as it requires a lower temperature than
It helps
normal.
first of all to provide temperature. It maintains temperature of the, so because sperms will be stable only at lower temperature. So it maintains the temperature of the human male reproductive system.
Okay, ma'am.
What are the functions of seminal vesicles?
It is a long tube-like structure. It connects the testis and the urethra, ma'am. And on its way, seminal vesicle and prostate gland are secrete.
What they secrete?
A fluid called semen, ma'am, which makes transportation of sperm easy into the vagina, ma'am, and it provides nourishment also.
Yes, it provides nourishment as well as nutrition. Okay, it provides nourishment and nutrition to the sperm. So the sperms are usually transported. Please remember. Okay. So what is the hormone which plays an important role in the males?
Testosterone.
Testosterone.
What is that?
Testosterone.
What it will do?
It brings about changes
Changes
in the boys during puberty.
And also regulate the formation of
Sperms.
sperms, most important. Please remember. Next, coming to the female, I think so we have studied that. And what is menstruation? Okay, let me tell you what is main important questions. What is menstruation? What is a menopause? What is the tissue that is connecting the mother and the child, known as?
Placenta.
Placenta, yes, correct. And what are the functions of the placenta?
Ma'am, it forms the finger-like projections called villi.
exchange of oxygen
releases
takes place
the
between mother and the embryo.
And also,
It provides a large surface area for glucose and oxygen to pass from the mother to the embryo, ma'am.
it provides nutrients to the from the mother's blood to the fetus. Another function also is there.
And it
Waste
also generates waste
substance.
substances.
Yes. It removes the waste also from the blood. The waste secreted by the fetus also is removed by this villi which are present in the placenta. Okay. So why does menstruation happens? Explain in detail the process of menstruation. Who is going to say the detailed answer I want? Anybody? Okay, let me tell you. So this is the paragraph. So when the girls are born, usually the girls will be having eggs. Okay, from the time they are born. Okay, the girls will be having eggs from the time they are born, but these eggs are immature. So only on reaching puberty, some of them they start to mature. Okay, so every month one egg will be released every month by one of the ovaries. So the eggs, 1 minute. So the eggs which are formed from the ovaries will be carried to the fallopian tubes. Once the fallopian, first I'm telling the pregnancy, then we'll go to the menstruation. So once the in the fallopian tube, if the eggs meet with the fuse with the eggs, they will be eggs fused with the sperms. They will be leading to the formation of the zygote, and the zygote will be implanted into the uterus. Already the uterus wall will be thickened so that it will be able to sustain the pregnancy. It will be able to hold the zygote or the fetus. Okay, so every month the same process will be happening. If the egg is not fertilized in the fallopian tube, so the uterus will be the lining, the thickened lining of the uterus will be ruptured, and this leads to the bleeding. This is called as menstruation. It usually happens every 28 to 30 days, and the menstruation period lasts for 4 to 5 days. Usually the time for the menstruation is usually from 14 to 15 years to 51 to 55 years. Okay, this is known as the menstruational period for the active menstruational period for the woman. After the menstruation, okay, the period after the menstruation where there no more bleeding or anything takes place is known as the menopause. Okay. Hope you understood the difference between the menstruation and menopause. So in case, explain how the pregnancy takes place and how many weeks are the gestation period is. How many weeks the gestation period is?
Ma'am, 9 months.
9
ma'am.
months.
Weeks. Tell me in weeks.
18 weeks.
18.
No, wait.
I'm sorry,
34
ma'am. Ma'am, 20.
35 weeks. 9 months you told, how you can tell 18 weeks?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 34 to 36 weeks, ma'am.
34 to 35 or 36 weeks. Okay, this is again another 1 mark question. Okay, what happens during whatever I've been telling you, how does the body prepares itself for the pregnancy? We need to write this. Where it happens? Here up on the top is there. So this all you need to write. What are the events that are taking place during pregnancy, especially the thickening lining and rich supply of blood? All this you need to write. What happens if the egg is not fertilized? This you need to write. That is nothing but the menopause, menstruation. All of you wrote these all questions and answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No doubts, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, finally to the reproductive health. So all this is blah, blah, blah. This is nothing you'll get, but this is the most important. Example for bacterial infections, viral
Syphilis and
infections.
gonorrhea, HIV/AIDS.
Yes.
One
And what are the different types of precaution or methods used?
Mechanical barriers, surgical methods, oral pills.
Mechanical barriers. Example.
Condoms and copper
Condoms.
tubes.
Next one.
Oral pills, ma'am.
Oral contraceptive pills.
Oral pills. How does the oral contraceptive pills? How does it affect the pregnancy?
Ma'am, it changes the hormonal balance in the body, due to which there will be no production of ovum.
No eggs will be released and no eggs will be released. Only Niranjan is answering. Nobody is answering. I want everybody to participate. It's for your benefit and only. So what are the other contraceptives? Please, other people answer. Niranjan, you be quiet for some time.
Okay, ma'am.
What
Tummy
are
and
the
puberty.
other contraceptive techniques?
Ma'am, they place copper T in the uterus to prevent pregnancy.
Yes. Another one. What is
Uh,
IUCD?
IUCD, ma'am.
What is it?
Intrauterine contraceptive device.
What is that? It's nothing but copper T. It is placed in the uterus to prevent the pregnancy, means to prevent the entry of the eggs to the uterus. So copper T is also known as IUCD. Please remember, and this abbreviation is very important. What are the surgical methods available?
Vasectomy and tubectomy.
Vasectomy means?
Vas deferens will be blocked and there will be no
Tubectomy means?
The fallopian tube is
fallopian tube
blocked.
will be blocked.
Vasectomy happens in?
Male.
Male,
Tubectomy happens in?
Female.
female.
Why it is in India compulsorily? Why it's a compulsory? Why it's illegal to have a prenatal sex determination? Why it's illegal in India to have a prenatal sex determination, and why it's very important?
Ma'am, it's so that to regulate a healthy society where the male and female sex ratios are maintained properly in balance.
Yes. And why it is banned?
Ma'am, it is banned because prenatal sex determination of a child leads to female infanticide or child
It's
female
leading to female
feticide.
feticide. So there is a ban in the prenatal sex determination. All of you understood? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Once go through everything, I'll be asking you all questions. Anywhere I'll ask. Only one by one you should answer. Are you reading, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Which will you ask questions now, ma'am?
Yes, I'll ask from this chapter only. All of
Okay,
you
ma'am.
switch on your this one. Switch on your video, all of you. Tilai, he left her.
Ma'am, am I seeing?
No, I cannot see you, ma'am.
Video is on.
Cannot see you. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I'll off and on 1 minute, ma'am.
Huh?
I'll switch it off and on it again 1 minute, ma'am.
Cannot see yours.
Ma'am, it says video is on.
No, it's not. I cannot see yours. Okay, leave it. Practice, all of you practice.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in regeneration, Hydra can also come, no, ma'am?
What, ma?
Hydra.
Yes, it will also come.
Okay.
Planaria comes only in
Fragment.
Planaria comes only in regeneration, or it comes in
In
or it
also
comes in
can come
budding
in
also.
fragmentation also.
Planaria comes in fragmentation also, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay,
Because we will
thank
be
you.
dividing it 3 parts, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Have you checked, all of you? Checking? If it's done, please let me know. I'll start the questionnaire.
Finish, ma'am.
Remaining also let me know. Only 4 of you are left. Remaining all went away. Shall I start remaining people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
This is asking 2012 CBSE. What is the advantage of reproducing through spores? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, when organisms reproduce by spores, they are protected by a hard coating, which enables them to survive under unfavorable conditions.
Yes, yes. So when organisms reproduce by spores like that, you should not saw. Spores are the thick-walled structures which can sustain adverse conditions. So under favorable conditions, usually the spores disrupt and gives rise to the new organism or new plant or whatever it is. Okay. Differentiate between a pollen grain and a ovule. Who will answer? It was asked in 2011. What does pollen grain contains?
Male gamete, ma'am.
And ovule contains?
Female gamete.
Female gamete.
That's it. Differentiate between germination and fertilization.
Ma'am, fertilization is the process in which male gamete and female gamete together fuses to form a zygote, ma'am. But in the case of germination, it is a seed contains a future plant or embryo which develops into a seedling under appropriate conditions, ma'am. And this is called germination.
Yes, correct. What, ma'am? Who is talking?
Ma'am, I was going to answer the same.
Okay, from now I'll tell your names. Why is the temperature? It was asked in 2014. It was also asked in 2012 also. Why is the temperature of erotical snack 2 degrees less than that of the body temperature?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Why is the temperature of salactal sac 2 degrees less than the body temperature?
And because it needs 2 degrees less than body temperature for the production of spawns, ma'am. If it is not below the body temperature, the formation of spawns will not take place, ma'am.
Yes. Why other people? Why is, again it was asked in 2015 and also in 2012 the same answer. Niranjan, please don't answer.
Okay.
Other people please answer. Regeneration is not possible in all the animals. Why? Why is regeneration not possible in all the animals?
Ma'am, it is not possible in all the animals as some organisms have more complex structure.
No,
like
wrong. I told you previously only.
Ma'am, in a multicellular organism, there are cells and a group of cells make up tissue and a group of tissues.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, may I tell, ma'am?
No, don't tell. Let them try. Specialized, something we have spoken just half an hour back.
Ma'am, the organisms which undergo regeneration have specialized cells which help them to develop a new organism from the broken or cut part of the organism. This cannot take place in other organisms as They require a complex method of.
No, they lack these specialized cells. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
They lack this specialized cells.
Ma'am, but liver has these cells, no, ma'am.
But organism, we are talking about organisms,
Okay, ma'am.
not about the organelles or tissues.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, organism is different, organelles and tissues are different. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of contraceptive methods prevent STDs and how?
Ma'am, condoms prevent STDs.
What? That is what method?
Ma'am, mechanical
Mechanical?
barrier.
Yes, that you should write. Okay. Then you should write condoms. Only those contraceptive methods can prevent the sexually transmitted disease. Whereas others like copper T or surgical methods cannot stop the sexually transmitted disease. Those only prevent the pregnancy. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write, no, this has been repeatedly asked, differentiate between plumal and radical. Repeatedly been asking question. Okay, name the type of asexual reproduction. A, planaria, what it is?
Regeneration.
Regeneration.
Rhizopus.
Spore formation.
Spore formation.
Spirogyra.
Fragmentation.
Fragmentation.
Hydra.
Regeneration.
Regeneration and budding.
Budding, where already you wrote regeneration, you can write budding. What is vegetative propagation?
Ma'am, reproduction to vegetative parts of the plant such as roots, leaves, and stems, ma'am.
Methods of producing new plants from vegetative parts of the plants like roots, leaves, and stems is called as a vegetative reproduction. Please note down if it's not there in your books.
Ma'am, could you tell it again, ma'am?
Method of producing new plants from vegetative parts like roots, leaves, and stems is called vegetative propagation. How do contraceptive methods have impact on the health and prosperity of the family? It was asked in 2017. Again, I'm repeating how these contraceptive methods help in maintaining the health and prosperity of the families. It's a generalized question. Can you answer?
Ma'am, should we tell about the birth control for this question?
Yes, you can tell. Like effects on the health and prosperity, but they have asked.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question once more?
How does these techniques or methods affect the health and prosperity of the family? Generalized health of the woman is maintained. Okay.
Unwanted pregnancies are avoided.
Parents can give more attention to the children. More resources can be able to can be made available. Unwanted pregnancies can be avoided. All these 4 points you can write. Again, I'm repeating. Health of the woman will be maintained. Parents can give more attention to the children. More resources can be made available. Unwanted pregnancies can be avoided. Have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, this was asked in 2018 recently. What happens when A, accidentally planaria is cut into 3 pieces? What happens?
Ma'am, the 3 pieces of planaria will again develop into a new planaria, ma'am, of different individuals because they have specialized regenerative cells, ma'am.
Next, Aniranjan, please don't answer. B, bryophyllum leaf falls into the wet soil. OY, please answer. Ovia. She's not there. No, she's not there. Nirupama,
Yes, ma'am.
can you answer? What happens when the bryophyllum leaf falls on the wet soil?
Ma'am, bryophyllum leaf, when it falls on wet soil, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I had internet issues. Ma'am, bryophyllum's vegetative propagative part is the leaf notches, ma'am. So when it
It's
falls
the
on
bud.
so when it falls onto wet soil, the bud produces new notches along the leaf, will develop into a new plant.
Yes, new plantlets will be developed via vegetative propagation. Next one, third one.
Ma'am, but in this question, when we say bryophyllum is falling on wet soil, ma'am, we have to write the
Yes.
bud is reproducing, or should we write the notch?
No, buds will be getting detached from the leaves, and each bud will be giving rise to a new plant.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one, Sandhya. On maturation, sporangia of the rhizopus burst. What will happen?
Ma'am, can you please repeat, ma'am?
On maturation, sporangia of the rhizopus bursts.
Ma'am, when the spore case bursts, the spores spread into air, ma'am. When these airborne spores land on food or soil, under favorable condition, they germinate and produce new plants, ma'am.
Yes. one of the most important point here, as you told, under favorable conditions. You should write this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, it was asked in 2016, and this will be the last question for this session. Trace the path of the sperms from where they produced in the human body to the exterior. Can you tell the pathway?
Ma'am, pathway, ma'am, for the sperm to the external body, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first the sperm is produced in the testis, ma'am, and the testis is connected to the.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. And the testis is connected to the vas deferens, ma'am. And through the vas deferens, it the and through the vas deferens, it goes to the ureter, ma'am, and the urethra, ma'am. And on its way, there will be seminal vesicles and prostate glands, ma'am, and they will secrete their secretion to the sperm, ma'am. And after that, it will go through the urethra, ma'am. And it is the common passage for both urine and
First,
the.
it goes to the urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder to the urethra. I'm asking the path, not the explanation, only path. Narrows.
Ma'am, will the sperm goes to the urinary bladder also, ma'am? Ma'am, then how urinary bladder stores both urine and sperm, ma'am?
That's what is a common passage, no? For urine and sperms for males.
Ma'am, urethra is the common passage, ma'am. But how urinary bladder stores both sperm and urine, ma'am?
Urinary bladder will not be storing any sperms. Okay. Semen will be present. It is one of the transport organelles.
Ma'am, but in urinary
Vasa
bladder.
differentia will be storing the sperms.
Ma'am, but in urinary bladder, sometimes that urine will be stored, ma'am. But in that time, sperm enters, mean what will happen, ma'am?
The seminal vesicle will be diluted actually. The urine present in the sperm, it may be diluted. But vasa differentia is the place where the sperms are stored.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
From vasa differentia, it will be entering into the urethra through urinary bladder and urethra.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So with this, I'm stopping the last question, which I forgot to. What is the difference between endocrine and exocrine function of the females? What is the endocrine function of the what is the endocrine and exocrine function of the testes? Can anybody answer? Endocrine means hormonal function. What is the hormones that released by the testes? Exocrine means what are the other things other than hormones it releases?
Ma'am, testis releases the male sex hormone called testosterone, ma'am, which
That
is
is
responsible.
endocrine function.
Yes, ma'am.
Exocrine?
Testis releases sperms, ma'am, male gamete for reproduction.
Yes. So don't be thinking or don't be confused. Endocrine means hormones, whatever the hormones they release. Exocrine means the sperms that are released by the testes. So with this, I'm closing the section. And regarding your test, we'll once speak to, tomorrow I'll be talking to Raghavan. Okay. You also please inform them. We'll see how we will be scheduling. Only you are having Niranjan or everybody's having?
Ma'am, DAV school are having.
Ma'am, we 4 are having.
Okay, DAV school is having exams from December 1st.
Ma'am, no,
Ma'am,
ma'am, from
30th.
November 30 to December 4, ma'am.
Yeah, November 30 to December 4. I'll inform her. Let them reschedule. What we'll see. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
With this, we have closed the revision for this chapter. We'll see when we will keep the exam.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.